Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to start an instant meeting with Microsoft Teams. This is perfect for those moments when you need to quickly connect with your team without scheduling anything in advance. Let's jump right in and get you set up. First, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the navigation panel. Click on Calendar. This section is where all your scheduled meetings live, but it's also where you can launch instant meetings on the fly. It's a central hub for managing all your video conferencing needs within Teams. Once you're in the calendar view, direct your attention to the top of the screen. You'll spot a button labeled Meet Now. Go ahead and click it. This is your gateway to starting an impromptu meeting without any prior scheduling. It's incredibly useful when you need to gather people quickly for a discussion or decision. After clicking Meet Now, a new window will pop up prompting you to input a meeting name for your instant meeting. Choose something descriptive so participants know what the meeting is about at a glance. This name will appear in the meeting link and any notifications, so make it clear and relevant to the topic you'll be discussing. Once you've entered your meeting name, you'll notice an option that says Get a link to share. Click on this and Teams will generate a unique meeting link that you can send to other people. This link is shareable via email, chat, or any other communication method you prefer. It's a flexible way to invite participants who might not be directly in your team's organization or who you want to reach quickly through different channels. Now, you're ready to launch the meeting. Click Start Meeting to proceed. This action will direct you to another window where your meeting environment will open up. You'll see your video feed and various controls for managing the call, such as muting your microphone, turning your camera on or off, and sharing your screen. In this meeting window, you have multiple ways to invite people to join you. You can search for them directly by typing their names into the participant search bar. This is useful if you want to pull in specific colleagues who are already in your team's contacts. Alternatively, you can copy the meeting link and paste it wherever you need, whether that's a direct message, an email, or a project management tool. There's also an option to share via your default email application, which will automatically open a new email draft with the meeting link already included, making it even easier to get everyone on board quickly. And that's it. You've successfully started an instant meeting in Microsoft Teams and invited your participants. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.